You and Thomas need a game of rock, paper, scissors.
Anyway, I'll just quickly update you lot. You've got all very drama filled. Ready?
You've got to put your transponder on your bike.
You've got to choose a bike.
Yeah.
I'm going to go for the people's choice today.
You're two-stranking all day?
Probably not all day. I'm a bit scared of the jumps, to be honest, but we'll start with a two-stroke and then we'll see how we get on, because I sort of know how this can go.
Where are we?
Fuck no, to be honest. I know it took us a long time to get here. I think we're in Surrey, Lichfield, was it? Lichfield horse racing track. I thought I was participating in a bit of fun, but it's turned out it's a little bit more serious than what I first anticipated, so we'll see what the crack is. But it looks like we're riding around the horse track, jumping the furloughs and having a bit of fun really, but let's have a go. We're away! Whoa. Close to the fence at one point. Easy on this, isn't it?
No, you just go flat out and turn. They're weird. They're like, it's a bit of a G-out.
Is it?
You probably go through them on that.
Don't say that. I'm already nervous. That's so lucky I didn't come back to the ramp.
There's plenty of mechanics here to help you.
I feel like I'm going to be the only one out of everybody here that rolls the jump.
Yeah, everyone's hit them.
Yeah, but why am I seem like I'm the scariest person here?
Lucky for you, I'm not allowed to go out there and film it, so you can just say you've hit them.
Maybe get to that one. Oh, you can't really. That's good.
I can't believe you shit out on the first jump.
Yeah, I was a bit scared. My brake, I'm scared, I can't slow down.
Are we going to swap motorcycles?
Well, it feels so nice though. Yeah. When I come out of there, it was just like, what, and I was like, wow.
Got good out.
Yeah, but I need to sort the brake out.
You getting a 450 out?
Don't know. I just want to, this is fun, but the rear brake's gone and also...
Oh, mate, you need a brake.
Pathetic.
Fucking wimp of a man.
Did I jump to all?
The first one.
Shut up. Yeah, the first
You're the
one.
only fucking person out of everyone. You I don't even fucking want to know you.
To destroy you around there. We're head to head. This is our first head to head.
I bet you're pleased that these fences are now outside of plastic.
What?
I bet you were happy. I wish you'd shut up. I bet you were happy when you found out the fences down the outside were plastic.
Yeah, I was
so I'm going to
actually.
fucking put you through them.
You big bald bastard. You wouldn't even been anywhere near me.
Come and talk to me, Elliot. Someone explain what's going on, because Tommy's got no idea.
I don't really have any idea either. We're at a mad Red Bull event, so the concept behind it is sort of like a horse race on motocross bikes. But yeah, tested it a few times, tested it yesterday, it's just mental. Me and Graham went out of the event, it's the most mad thing I've ever done on a motocross bike. The dirt's like mentally grippy, like it's mad grippy, and you just like two-wheel drifting around all the corners, and mate, it's like literally who's got the biggest balls going into the jumps. Like Graham's got some big old balls on him, I'll give him that, because he did not shut off, and I hit the last one so fast and it did scare me a bit, but yeah, it's going to be a mad day.
I think you've brought a knife to a gunfight, haven't you?
Huh?
You brought a knife to a gunfight.
Yes. Wish I'd have bought a 125. The paddle pulls you better out the corner. My bike.
Whinging.
The roosts fucking taste horrendous, doesn't it?
I don't get in roost, and I don't plan on getting any roost either today.
What about jumps? Do you plan on hitting any of them?
I hit a few.
They're scary, them jumps though.
Mate,
I'm hitting them going, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Tell
I'm
me
not being funny
with numbers.
It only gives it's only saying average for some reason. It's not saying top. I need to connect it to my phone.
No, this is what I thought after I hit the first two. I thought, alright, that's alright. But what happens if my shot blows? If your shot blows, it just goes boing.
Alright, I'll be fair to everybody.
I think today, I mean, it's not really a race, we're not. It's to
Slow down then, mate. Stop, like, why do you always want to attack me?
He gets so nervous.
What are we doing then?
Bill's already up. Stop it, Billy. Bill's already upset because he thought he had me covered today and then I pulled it out the bag.
I definitely didn't think I have you covered.
You said that.
It's a race around a flat track, just wide open. I'm obviously not going to have you covered. I'm
Why?
fucking 20 kilograms heavier than you.
Go through all the reasons, what we've heard all morning.
Enduro bike, to start off with.
Okay, one extra gear than a motocrosser.
Yeah, but it doesn't pull, it just goes.
Okay.
I'm still using fifth.
Alright.
90-100 front tyre, so it's
Yeah.
wider, so there's more drag.
Ah,
so
yeah,
it's
Paddle tyre on the back?
Mousses, which are heavier.
Oh, you put the other, I thought you had a paddle on.
No, I haven't got a paddle on, that's the problem. That's another issue.
I haven't got a paddle.
I don't, yes you do.
I don't, I promise.
I don't have a paddle. 18-inch back wheel, which is also doesn't roll as fast. That's about it for my excuses. Too small on the back, but we'll brush over that.
Standard.
13, what is standard?
He's dicking all over you.
Where are you finding 3.5 seconds more than everyone else?
But he reckons, he's just said in there, if there was prize money, he could beat you. And he said if there was prize money, I could have him, no problem.
Oh, mate, really?
With a dead straight face.
Say we'll put $1,000 on it.
No.
Go on, go on!
Not enough.
Go on! Go on!
Bottle's gone now.
That was brilliant.
He's 3 seconds faster. I'm not sure
Around
I
a
can
1 minute circle.
You have to be so talented to ride around this track.
But what what you talent you sort of need is where you don't use your brain.
Third. You have to live it on it.
Who's going to pass first?
Fucked up this, isn't it? This is so dangerous.
Carrot sent it. Why is Bill so excited?
Who's your money on?
Hey, between us two, I want him obviously, but
No.
I'm going to make it difficult.
If I had money out of me and you, I'd put it on you.
Fucking brilliant! Brilliant stuff!
Enjoy that.
Fucking mint! I can't wait to dress up in a suit and come and watch the real thing.
Good luck, mate.
You're in first, you're last!
Don't let an enduro rider beat you. He's all talk. No action.
You got the whole shot?
I stopped a lap early.
Yeah, well, they was trying to red flag it because Elliot's bike was about to blow up.
Yeah, I didn't really know what was going on.
Oh well.
Your bike was steaming from the first jump.
Yeah, on bad as well. Really? Yeah. That's why I can't use this stuff.
It would be fine if it went wrong on the face of one of them.
That's what I was thinking. I'd be like,
When I was coming back to that, I was thinking, unlike when I got round to lap 3, I was thinking this
you could
wouldn't be
nearly
nice.
do 2, couldn't you?
No, it needs to be 1 lap.
Nah, one's not enough.
It needs to be like half a lap or just straight past that thing.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
And it doesn't, it come out 2 laps later.
How are we getting on?
Good, really good. I think it's better for horses, but we're having a go. Hey, what's your take on it, Bill?
Dying.
It is good fun. I mean, really good fun, but I'm just worried about the risk. I'm just hitting them with their jumps quite fast. And I sort of worry, what happens if my foot peg snaps on the face of this? Would you? No, overall it's good. Nice to do something different. It's like quite a good concept, but we've had a good day. Enjoyed it. Have you got much footage or not?
No, I got told
Because
off.
that's the only reason he's here.
No, I got told off for being on the track.
I've only come for the vlog.
Yeah, but I
Told you
tried
that
to go on the
before.
track and I got kicked off.
Oh, we're
I got
doing rock,
chased.
paper, scissors. Whose channel it goes on?
It's going on mine, we never would have discussed it.
No, rock, paper, scissors.
Scissors?
Scissors.
Scissors?
Chisels.
Right. 1, 2, 3, go. How's that work?
Yes.
Fuck off. I want a replay of that.
Don't slow-mo that.
Yeah, but why? Because you cheated.
No, come on. I'm so nervous, you always attack me in that. Can the bully just... you're a bully. How was that? I actually enjoyed that one.
I missed the first laps. I thought you were going to miss the jumps.
No, I done all the jumps.
Yeah, well done.
That way we're both winners. Billy can have a little win in his one and I can have a win in mine.